100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. Imagine never picking up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Okay, amazing. And if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, or just looking for a side hustle, or how to make money online from home, or how to earn money online from home, this is for you. Okay. Now imagine making $20 online. Okay, that's what most people do. And if they sometimes people don't even make $20 per commission. Now imagine making 3,500, and you can make up to 5,000, 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even 5,000. We'll say 3,500 divided by 20, because you work just as hard to make one commission. Okay, you can make just as hard making one commission of $20, or one commission of 3,500, and that's 175 sales of $20 to make $3,500. And again, I told you they call the hotline, okay, or you can do autoresponder, or they read the emails, but they can call this hotline, and the done for you call center does the hard work for you. They do all the selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. So all you got to do is send the traffic, okay? And they can do all the hard work for you on the back end. How amazing is that, okay? Now I want to show you why you should listen to me. Because the type of training we give here is the elite training that will change your life and create generational wealth for your family, okay? Now look at this. I'm searching on YouTube. I'm going to show you I'm in incognito mode, okay? And I'm searching for high ticket lifestyle clone its #1 system fast. And I show you these type of results every single video, okay? So you can check out any of my videos. And the amazing thing is, it's not just high ticket lifestyle, okay? I have so many videos, hundreds, that are ranked on YouTube, okay? But look at this. 3 days ago, with just one view, #1 video on YouTube, okay, for this particular term. Okay, here's another video, okay, from 12 hours ago, just this morning, okay, and there's another view from 2 days ago. So 3 assets, okay, but there's another one. There's my whole channel, okay, so 4 assets on the first page of YouTube. And I'm going to show you my Google results later, because Google is even harder than YouTube, okay. That's the type of elite training. That's the type of training most sponsors either don't know, or they're scared to show you because they're afraid that you won't need them anymore. Okay, especially when you make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 per sale. Okay, now how are we doing this? Okay, the elite training is in the back office, but we show you even more than that. If you use the Badass Network, that's even the icing on the cake, okay? Because that helps you rank your articles and your videos even faster, okay? Now, so this is the reviewing the high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, okay? And this is the high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model of the architect of traffic. You need to be a traffic architect. You don't need to be a traffic architect. You do not need, okay? Let the automated closing floor do closing hotline, okay, do the work for you. The operator knows the time spent on manual support is time wasted. You aren't spending your day scaling if you're answering support tickets. you're ready to be the person who owns the machine, right? So we close the sales, you earn $500 to $5,000 commissions. And this is your day job, okay? This is what you could have on the other end, okay? If you take action, okay? High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, rejecting the guru path. The system will crush anyone looking for an easy button. If you think you can enter a high ticket space with a low ticket mindset, you will fail. The architecture requires you to drop the ego. You must pick up the methodology. You cannot be a donor to the grind and an operator of the machine simultaneously. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, understanding the cost of delay. The cost of delay is a consequence you will have to own. If you're still waiting for permission, you are not ready for the strike. This is for the people who are done being the victim of an algorithm. You're imagining a strike pipeline. The market does not wait for your convenience, okay? The high-ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model are maximizing your ROI. The 100% commission structure is the most radical departure from industry norms, and we actually have 230% income on ROI, okay? How do you do that? You gotta wait and keep watching this video. When you secure a strike, your money goes to you, not an intermediary. This ensures that your ROI is not just high, it is absolute. You're compounding your results, not just adding them. This is how you reach 8 figures. I'm going to show you something real quick, okay? Remember I mentioned 233% ROI? Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. So this is a 100% free action taker bonus. 48 hours, this big old button that you cannot possibly miss, okay? 48-hour upgrade bonus, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. And this is the countdown, okay? The final countdown. Okay, get upgraded to the, I'm done being silly. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, most people have bonuses that are like a PDF or PDFs that you'll never use. How about up to $2,000 bonus, okay, per sale? Is that something you can use? Okay, I bet you can, right? 2,000 instead of 1,500 or 500, 1,500 or 3,500, you can earn 500, 1,500, 3,500 or $5,000. And remember, before you took action on this bonus, you started with 1,500. That's the sweet spot. And yet, if you join at the 500 level, you get no upgrade. Now join the 1,500 level, get qualified at the 3,500 level. That's a $2,000 bonus. That's a 230% ROI. Okay, join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level, and join the $5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. The $100,000 diamond level bonus is the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat, daily market analysis, and copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. See, we teach you elite stuff right here. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, this is the $3,500 level. Let's see if I can find the $1,500. And this is the bronze, okay? Now look, at the bronze, you get everything at the bronze level, which is DFY one-page funnel. This exact page, no cost to you. Step-by-step 10K blueprint to start getting paid. How to build a passive 10,000 a month affiliate brand. Complete Bitcoin and cryptocurrency education. DFY marketing materials to get results fast. Earn $500 direct commissions to you on every sale. Now, that's if you join bronze, and you get paid to whatever payment method you want instantly, okay? Direct pay. Now look. Now everything at the bronze that I just told you, including how to day trade Bitcoin at a 90% win rate. 90%, 9 out of every 10 trades. Live 10 a.m. Mountain Standard training to market with the owner. So the owner is going to help you market your program. Yeah, you heard me right. 5 days a week, the owner is going to help you market your program. Okay, and make more money. Make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 per sale. The Bitcoin War exposed and how to fight back now. Earn $500 and $1,500 direct commissions to you on every sale. But remember, the 100% free 48-hour action taker bonus. You're an action taker, right? You're going to take action, right? You want to change your life. You want to create generational wealth for your family, right? So you join the silver level and take action and get upgraded to gold level. Yes, you will be qualified to earn up to $3,500 commissions. That's how you make up to 233% ROI, okay? And again, you choose how you get paid, including straight to your bank account via Zelle, right? Okay. High ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model, maximizing your ROI. 100% commission structure is the most radical departure. I might have read this already. Of industry norms. When you secure strike, the money goes to you, not an intermediary. It ensures that your ROI is not just high, it is absolute. Okay? You're compounding results, not just adding. This is how you reach 8 figures. Let me see if I can delete this. Okay. Now, high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model frequently asked questions. Is this just another affiliate program? No, it is a sovereign digital architecture. Do I need to be a salesperson? No, you're a traffic architect. Remember, I'm going to show you. Never pick up the phone. They call this number, they listen to a 3-minute message, okay? And then they leave their number, and this Done For You call center, the owner calls them back, right? We make it easy for you. Again, the whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Amazing. Life-changing, okay? And I told you I would show you the Google results, right? So I'm going to, again, you see I'm in incognito. These are real results, okay? And 3 days ago, here's a YouTube video from Make Money On with JJ. Here's a badass network, the network I'm writing my blogs on, right? Okay, and it's a different video. Notice it's compensation plan. Okay, multiple results from one-time work. That's why I not only write the blog, I read the blog too and do it in a video. So why wouldn't you do something once and get multiple results from it, right? Work smart, not hard, okay? There's another one, right? Instagram, JJ Solley, stop quoting broke people if you want to be rich. Just another post, okay? And there's YouTube for my whole channel, right? And there's another badass network. Again, different program. Supreme Profit Systems of review, okay? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 results. Let's see if we have anything else. 5 results on Google's first page, okay? And 4 results on YouTube, okay? Again, we are not scared to teach you what actually works. We are not scared. And we know exactly how. This is the elite training. And what High Ticket Lifestyle will do was you can take one of these high ticket strikes, right? 500, 1500, 3500, or even 5000, and put it into your Coinbase account, okay? And then you can make more money from it. You could even buy traffic with it, okay? That's a type of elite training. Take your money and make more money with it. What? Do I have your attention now? I should, okay? And again, one of these high ticket strikes for just 3,500 is worth 175 sales. You can work just as hard, especially with our Done For You call center, for one sale and get 3,500, or you can do $20 175 times. Imagine how long it would take you to do 175 sales for 3,500. Or you could do like one sale every 2 weeks or one sale a month and make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000. Okay? Does that make sense? Am I making sense to you right now? I should be, hopefully. You're understanding the power of this system. And again, we do all the hard work for you. And you take action in the first 48 hours, you start at the $1,500, $3,500, or $5,000 level, you get the elite 48-hour action taker bonus. Okay, and this is my article reviewing the #1 high ticket lifestyle affiliate cash model blog. And I'm JJ Solley, and this is aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.